Hey, what's up, guys? Scooch back here again for another video. Today's going to be a quick one. I actually am at my buddy Will's shop again, and he has, as you know, he's been in the videos before. He's got the Boxster. We did the exhaust on that. Sounds awesome. He has an RS3 as well. Now, Will prefers something a little more modest. He doesn't like the big, obnoxious, loud, you know, look at me kind of exhaust anymore. He's kind of grown out of that phase, and I respect it. But he does want a little bit more out of the RS3 that he has, and somebody he knows was actually selling the Resonator delete pipes off of, excuse me, off of their Ttrs, their new one. So he decided to go pick those up today, and it was kind of a last minute thing. Grabbed them, put them in, and here we are. So he's gonna put them in. We're gonna see how they sound. Actually, I think they're already in. I just got here, so I think they're already in. But we're gonna see how they sound, see if they're a big improvement over stock, see if it's something that you might want to put on your RS3 or your Ttrs. Again, it was only like 150 bucks, he said, so not overly expensive to do. But it's just something to help you decide if you want to put these on yours, or if you think you should go with a whole new exhaust. So let's get right into it. Yeah, it's not much louder. And this is with the valves open. It's a little bit better.
But not when I drive it. Well,
yeah.
That's the thing too. I don't want anything too obnoxious. So.
No, I know you don't, but it might be just what you're looking for. Will's got all the toys. I miss working at Audi. Just for these. Just for these. He's got the Porsche. He's got the jet skis. He's got the RS3. You don't get much better than this.
It'll do like a baby sideways.
Baby sideways is still enough sideways for me. When it's all-wheel drive.
I always want more sideways.
Yeah, well, we all do,
yeah.
but it's part of me.
Short shifted.
Not much.
Yeah. Need that limited slip diff.
Yeah, you do.
The whole thing with this is you really got to trail brake it and huck it in, or you kind of got to skin and maybe flick it a bit.
Yeah.
And then you can get some fun out of it. But you got to really try to do it.
Do a little slower. Okay.
Love that anti-lag. That was just the most ridiculous.
I can't believe the day you showed me that, you're like, this has anti-lag. I was like, no, it doesn't. You're like, yes, it does.
Rolling
yes, it does.
From the factory. It is literally the most ridiculous feature ever installed in a vehicle.
I wonder how many of the other ones they put it on that I just never noticed. Because there's got to be a few. All of them?
Yeah.
Yeah, but like, how old did they go? You know what I mean? Like, are we talking like RS5s from 08 that they were on there?
Yeah,
you know what I mean? Like,
no, I mean, I know all RS3s have it.
Yeah, oh no, all RS3s have it. I do love this thing. Just not at the right time.
Oh yeah, it's like just right now.
Really is perfect. And when you put it on quiet mode, it was non-existent. So it's not going to bug anybody.
I'll shut it up in a second to see how it is once we get into the bumpy section. But
yeah.
Kind of wanted to tear through this, but this guy is
really making it not as much fun for us. Have you decided what you're taking tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm taking the Boxster. I mean, unless the weather forecast changes, but I think we'll be actually out west. It's supposed to be warmer than around here.
Really?
I saw almost 60. So,
ooh.
Yeah, so
okay,
if that's the case,
good.
I'm definitely gonna take the Boxster.
Yeah.
Plus, I'm gonna do a route that's twisty roads, mainly for decks.
Yeah.
I mean, if it's kind of just you and me, we could do the fast stuff, but I mean, I think he'd really be kind of left in the dirt.
Yeah, I mean, it's I don't mind. I like the twisty stuff anyway. I just find it more enjoyable to drive. I can drive straight stuff any day of the week.
Yeah, I mean, not to say all of it's straight. It's still twisty, but it's faster twisty.
Yeah, I guess.
So where you get more, where you have more power going on. See, I've learned how to work with the DSG in the sense that if you want like a smooth shift when you're kind of getting it, just let up the throttle just a little bit and it'll actually blend the gear for you instead of give you that head jerk.
Really?
Yeah, so you can kind of like use it towards your advantage. So if I let off, see how nice and smooth that was?
Yeah.
Versus if you lay in it, it'll fucking ram your head back.
Right.
So you can kind of work it to your advantage. See how I kind of let off there?
Yeah, you let off a little bit. That's... Yeah, because I haven't done enough, like, sporty driving.
You got to take one of these for like a weekend
DSG.
to really start to understand the sum of its parts.
That was the nicest thing. When I first started working at Audi, I took an S3 out. Me and Dex took one for the day, and because we were going to some car show that we had to go, like, work. And I get back, and my boss is like, I was like, so what do I do with the S3? He's like, what S3? I was like, well, I took a company car. He's like, you weren't supposed to do that. And I was like, oh, well, you always tell us to just take cars when we go places. Like, that's true, we do. I'll just take it for the night. And I went, all right, you know, and yeah, I took that for the day, and it was great. And I put like 150, 200 miles on the thing.
Yeah.
They're not happy with
30,
it.
dude.
Yeah, calm down, bud.
I should stop and do a launch right in the middle.
You
of the
should.
Road.
So it wasn't a huge video, but he did put the deleted resonator pipes on, like I told you. So I think it's gonna end up being a pretty good video. I think it's just for the sound. Just for anybody out there with an RS3 or Ttrs, one of the new ones, it's the same concept. Delete the resonator pipe. This is what it's gonna sound like. It's not overly loud, but it's a really clean sound, and it's how it should come out of the box factory, in my opinion, personally. I think it sounds really, really good. So just a couple of sound clips just to kind of get a feel for it. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you think it's worth the money, or if you think you should just go with a whole nother exhaust. Let me know what you think. So yeah, I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification. I'll see you in the next video.